So here's a picture of the quarter. Get in focusing. The quarter and the screws that the bolts that go across there. There's another one in there someplace. And then there we go. There's some, and they have little caps on them all the way along the back. There's one there, and then you have to get up underneath for the other ones, I believe. Oh, but wait, this is 63 and 64 may be different. That is true. Well, we'll find out in a minute. Okay, there was just one on that, and this will come right out. You see it stayed in there. So, just one from behind. It's 3/8, and then we'll get the ones here. Now, these are a little bit tricky because this one in here, you have to use use deep sockets on all these because they have studs. But except for those, sorry. So on this one, it kind of goes up at an angle, and there's not enough room right here to get in. So you have to use a universal to get up and in, and then that'll come out. All right. So this might save you a little bit of time. The one back in there is 3/8 of an inch, and it comes down at an angle so that you have this little gully here, enough for a universal, and then an extension because the head of the ratchet won't fit there. And you go from there. So easiest way is to do it just with the universal on there, so you can fit it onto that. There it goes. So you can fit it onto that, and you don't have the weight of the socket handle. So yeah. So okay, I guess there is just the one stud that goes in there, and that's it for that. The pot metal piece for the corner, and then we'll head on to these. So for the back of these, there are 6 of them, and even though you can see them through here, there's an access hole through the trunk, so you can get in that way, because this way really isn't possible because of the angle. They're more viewing holes. How nice is that? Anyway, and they are all the way along here. There, and there, and there. So you get up in there, and I think those are 3/8. But see, over here you can see one of them, and over there it would be in at the other angle. So we'll just zip those off. If you can shut off the camera. He said.